Today I will tell you about the story of Pather Panchali, from which this chapter Durga and Opu has been taken, and this is a chapter from the book The English Connection, written for the class 6 standard. So let us know the story of Pather Panchali. Pather Panchali is a novel. It is a tragedy written by Indian Bengali author Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, and it was published in 1929, and later this autobiographical tale was adopted for the film in the year 1955 by Satyajit Ray, who later became the India's most prominent movie maker. And in the novel opens up with the Roy family, and the family lives in a poor village of Nischindipur, Bengal, and the head of the family is Harihar Roy and his wife Sarbhojja, and they have two children, Opu and Durga, and with them a old aging person named Indir Thakurun is also living, and she is the cousin of Harihar. The family is the Brahmin, and Harihar does the job of priest, work of priest in the village, and most of the story of the novel centers on this work, in this theme, that how Harihar is trying to provide a good upbringing for his family, and how they have lost their reputation in the village slowly. And throughout the novel, the main characters, Sharbhoja, Harihar, and they try to show them live a life of a very good and dignified life. They want social respect, but because Harihar was a dreamer, so Sarbhojya, the whole family dependent on the Sarbhojya, and she supports her family a lot without asking any help from her relatives. And Durga and Opu, what about Durga and Opu? They have great time with each other, and they were children, they were the innocent, so both of them were growing, roaming here and there about the countryside, climbing trees, looking for wild fruits and flowers, watching birds, rabbits splashing in ponds and rivers. So they were enjoying their childhood. Because the family was already poor, so Durga and Opu's father, Harihar's cousin Indir, who was 75-year old, her presence has created a high fever, high level of tension in the family. And why? Indira spends much of her time complaining about the better earlier old days, her old days when the family had much material wealth at that time. And besides that, uh, she was also encouraging Durga to steal the mangoes, to act of stealing. She was not scolding her for this, and that is why Sarbhujya was enraged of her in this action. And one day, when Indir returns after staying with another relative, tension rises very high. And why? Because a neighbor, who was very vindicative, a vindicative aunt who is more economically stable than this family, accuses Durga of stealing a necklace from her daughter. And they start to fight with each other, Durga and Opu, and that is why Sarbhoja says to Indir to go out of her house again. And in this time, old voodoo woman was died in the rice pan. And because his family was becoming very poor and poor, so Harihar decides to leave his family to go in search of an income, and leaving behind him Sarboja, Durga and Opu to feed by themselves themselves. And during his absence, Durga comes down with pneumonia, and after playing outside in a monsoon for too long, and because there was no medical supplies, no medical help, and besides that, Sarbhoja also refuses to take help from her rich relatives. What happens? Durga Durga bears a lot of pain and high fever without any complaint and dies. Her dying wish was to see a train. And after some time, shortly after Durga dies, Harihar finds a job as a private priest for a wealthy family. He returns to the village to share the good news with his family. He has presents for the both of his children. When he sees Sarbhoja, she breaks down. They all agree to leave the village to forget their life there. Oppo has a tough time with leaving, however, because it feels as if he is leaving Durga. So, this is the story of Pather Panchali. Thanks a lot for watching.